This Daystar Upper Dash Panel is for those of you that have a 2007 to 2010 JK that are looking to add a little bit of organization to your interior. Up on the top center of your dash, currently there's just a flat trim piece. Doesn't leave a lot of opportunity for any sort of storage. By adding this, you're gonna be able to throw your phone, some change, a pen, whatever small items you'd like to up in that area. And in your JK, there's not a lot of interior storage or organization, so this is something that is much needed for a lot of you. This is gonna be something that will install very easily into your JK, definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench installation, a couple of tools, and about 10 minutes you'll be able to get this popped into place and begin using it. Now there are a couple of different organizers for that top center section of your dashboard. I like this one from Daystar. This will blend right in with the rest of your dash. Almost looks like it's supposed to be there right from the factory. Now there are some other ones out there that will also have a mount for either a dash cam, a GPS, or a cell phone. Those ones are of course going to be a little bit more expensive because they have a little bit more functionality. But if you're just looking for a place to throw some stuff, this is going to be a great choice. As far as the construction goes, this is designed to match the rest of your dashboard very well, so it'll blend right in. I mentioned before, the install for this is a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches, probably only 10 minutes or so to get this installed. The first step is going to be prying up the existing piece of trim that you have in the center of your dash, and you can use a small screwdriver or a trim removal tool in order to get that popped out of the way. Once it is removed, you can flip it upside down, and there are going to be a couple of screws that you'll remove in order to get your compass module off the back of that existing piece of trim. You're also going to remove a couple of metal clips at the same time. You'll transfer the compass module and those metal clips onto the back of your new Daystar organization unit and snap that right in place of the factory trim. This upper dash panel will come in right around $25, and I do think that's going to be a very fair price for what you're getting. Of course, you can spend a little bit more, get a little bit more function with one of those other dash panels that has a holder for a camera, a GPS, or a cell phone. But if you're just looking for a spot to be able to throw some additional stuff, make use of an otherwise useless spot on the center of your dash, I think this is a very fairly priced option. So if you're looking to add an additional storage location to your Jeep for some small items, I definitely recommend taking a look at this Daystar Upper Dash Panel that you can find right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.